Hello everybody, welcome to the channel again. Super Soco TC Max. Now, like any bike you buy, you're always trying to get the best brakes you can get for your bike, and it seems like there's not a lot around. You have to hunt and hunt and hunt. Well, I managed to find the EBC Sintered brake pads for the TC Max, because the front disc brake here has 3 pistons, 2 large ones here and a small one in the middle, because it's combined braking to the back. So when you press your front brake, you've got 3 that go in here, 3 pistons that push, and then your back brake as well comes on at the same time. It's very hard to find aftermarket parts in respect of main manufacturer parts, but I managed to find some EBC sintered pads for the Super Soco TC Max. Now, very easy to do. This locating pin here, you can see the actual thread on there. Use a little Allen key to take that out completely. That allows the back one, which is this one, this is the old pads, this back one here hooks onto the back, as you can see there, hooks onto the back there on the back, so that's just facing that way around, and then your front one goes on like this, and this here hooks into this position here, and you have two, so you have two holes at the bottom there, on the bottom, that locate through this pin. As you can see there, they locate through the pin, and you just screw the pin back in. You have to push the pads slightly forward to make sure they're actually going in, but clean that pin up as well, because the pads have to move backwards and forwards on that pin. And you can put some bearing grease on that pin if you want to as well. But these are the pads, EBC Sintered HH series. They're SFA 709HH, and there's a picture of it there so you can see. These ones are made in the USA, but you can get them off eBay England, etc. It doesn't this doesn't specify this pad for this bike on their catalogue, but then a lot of bikes use brake calipers from different manufacturers. This is an LBN caliper which is used on the SINNIS bike, so I looked through the SINNIS versions to find that this actually fits this bike. When you take the when you're going to put the new pads in, and you take the actual this threaded bolt out here, then you can pull the pads out. You will have to knock on this side. On this side, you'll have to just use a little spanner and just push the brake pistons. There's 3. There's one at the bottom, one at the top, and one in the middle. You just have to push them back into so they're fully locked in. Otherwise, you won't get the new pads out again. And once you've done that, you will find, as you can see there, brake master cylinder is full. On this side here, you can see my pads are wearing on the back slightly, because it's coming down slightly because the pads are being pushed in. So I'll look at trying to find some back pads. But on the front one here, like I said, it is now full again because I've actually pushed the actual pads, the pistons back, because I've fitted new pads. So these are the old ones that came off. God knows what they're made of. I have no idea, but got metal in or something, because the grinding against the disc gets this disc here gets very hot, so there must be metal in them. The compound, I'm not sure what the compound is, but basically because it's so hard, they're actually they're not actually stopping you now. There's more friction than there is actually stopping power. So these Sintered HH series, the best you can buy from EBC brakes, are now fitted, and I'll let you know how they get on. This is Mad Mick signing off. I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.